Aside from the beaches, the atmosphere, and the people, my favorite thing about visiting Cuba is the cars. For people that share a certain vintage with these beautiful works of art, it's the experience of a lifetime. This is Jose Franco, and before taking us to the beach on New Year's Eve, he took a moment to pop the hood of this '54 Chevy sedan and show me how these resourceful drivers keep these American classics running. Like, where'd they get this radiator?
Original de Hyundai.
Because of the American embargo that's been in place since 1962, Cubans have very little access to the original parts for these cars, but that doesn't keep them from being creative.
El motor es diésel, motor Hyundai diésel, con su caja de transmisión manual y el diferencial original.
A car like this is a steady source of income here and can be hard to come by.
Por lo general vienen por herencias de familia.
Sí.
O alguien que lo tuviera guardado y quiere venderlo, se preparan con estas condiciones para trabajarlos como taxi, la gran cantidad de dinero que se necesita para comprar un coche de esto o mantenerlo.
You can't just be a driver in Cuba, you have to know how to work on your ride.
Lo reparo, yo he aprendido la mecánica. Alguna rotura pequeña que me suceda en la calle yo lo puedo solucionar. Si no tengo solución, busco la manera de llevármelo para la casa y ya con más tiempo, con más dinero y con más posibilidades lo arreglo.
Just about the only original parts on this car are the body and the chrome. But that doesn't matter when you're piling into a time machine for a family trip to the beach. Now this is how to spend a New Year's Eve.